How to join groups on Instagram? Simply on this process, you will have to open your Instagram account from here. So simply open it. Okay, so simply from here you will have to go with the section messages, like it will appear on the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Okay, so simply from here in the source field, you have to type that specific group name or channel name. So I will search editors here, and simply from here you will have to click on search. Okay, so from here you will have to go with the section channels, and here you have to click on the serial option. So from here you have to choose that one group you want to join. So simply I am clicking on this. Okay, so simply from here you have to click on this join option to join this channel or group. So simply click on this join option. Okay, so once you click on this join option, you will automatically join on this group through admin approval, or it can be directly joined. So likewise, you can also join the Instagram groups or channels in your account. So hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.